Traditional surveying versus drone surveying. Before drones entered the surveying world, almost all land measurements were done using traditional surveying methods. These methods are still used today and remain extremely important, but modern drone technology has introduced a faster and more efficient way to collect surveying data. To understand the impact of drone surveying, it's important to first understand how traditional surveying works. Traditional surveying typically involves trained surveyors using specialized equipment such as total stations, levels, and GPS receivers. Surveyors physically move across the land, measuring distances, elevations, and angles between different points. These measurements are then used to create maps, boundaries, and topographic models. Traditional surveying methods are highly accurate and they are essential for tasks like legal boundary surveys, engineering design, and precise construction layout. However, these methods also have some limitations. First, traditional surveying can be time consuming. Surveying large areas often requires teams of surveyors working for several days, sometimes even weeks, depending on the terrain. Second, it can be a labor intensive task. Surveyors need to physically access multiple points across a site, which may include difficult terrain, steep slopes, or remote locations. Third, some environments can be dangerous. Surveying near busy construction sites, unstable mining areas, or disaster zones can pose safety risk. This is where drone surveying provides a major advantage. Instead of collecting data point by point on the ground, drones capture hundreds or even thousands of aerial images while flying over the survey area. These images overlap with each other and are later processed using photogrammetry software to generate accurate maps and 3D models. This method allows surveyors to capture data for large areas in a fraction of the time required by traditional techniques. For example, an area that might take several days to survey manually can often be mapped by a drone in less than an hour of flight time. Another advantage is visual data. Drone surveys produce high resolution aerial imagery, giving engineers, planners, and project managers a clear visual understanding of the site. Drone surveying also improves safety because surveyors do not need to physically access hazardous areas. However, it's important to understand that drone surveying does not completely replace traditional surveying. Instead, the two methods often work together. Traditional survey equipment is still used for establishing ground control points, boundary measurements, and high precision reference data, while drones are used for rapid aerial mapping and data collection. When combined, these technologies create a powerful surveying workflow that is accurate, efficient, and highly productive. Today, many professional surveys use a hybrid approach, combining traditional tools with drone technology to achieve the best possible results. In the next lecture, we'll explore some of the key technical concepts behind drone surveying, including ground sampling distance, image overlap, and resolution concepts that directly affects the accuracy of your surveys. Thank you.